Energy Controls presents a conversation about the EC Wizard, starring the boss and the chief engineer.
How you doing, boss? What would you say to sitting down and talking about upgrading our pneumatic control system again?
I know the tenants are constantly complaining, but that type of retrofit is too expensive, and it only has a 5-year payback. Unfortunately, we just don't have the money available in this year's budget.
What if I told you there was an alternative to the high cost of retrofitting our pneumatic control system that can give us an approximate 1.5-year payback? It's called the EC Wizard and has all the same energy savings attributes as the expensive DDC controls do. But since we don't have to take out the pneumatics, it's much more affordable.
Sounds interesting, but we just don't have the money available in the budget.
But if you get a loan or lease, we would be able to pay our monthly payment with the energy savings. Plus, we can get a good rebate from the utility company that can help us with the HVAC repairs.
That would be great, but how can we tell if the EC Wizard system is actually going to provide the estimated energy savings?
The EC Wizard can actually validate its own energy savings each day. In 1 month's time, we'll be able to confirm if the EC Wizard's DDC control system is going to provide us the estimated energy savings and payback.
I understand. However, this is not a really good time for us to start a project. We have so many HVAC problems, and the service calls are driving us nuts.
It will save us time. The EC Wizard provides diagnostic monitoring capabilities. That will allow us to quickly fix our HVAC zone problems. We would also be able to communicate with the rooftop mechanical system and provide precise temperatures accommodating zone conditions and improving comfort.
You know, that is a good point. But right now, with all the HVAC problems, disturbing my tenants even more while the installation is taking place is not something that we can do right now.
I agree, but since we aren't taking out the existing pneumatic control valves, dampers, and thermostats, the installation would only take about 15 to 20 minutes per zone.
Okay. However, I'm still a little hesitant to install a new product in my building.
The EC Wizard can be taken out in less time than it took to install it. If we don't see the energy savings that it promises after 30 days, we can simply put them back in their boxes and ship them back for a 100% refund.
Well, I think you've made some good points. Let's get the ball rolling and finally upgrade the pneumatics.
Okay, I'll order it and test it on the first floor.
For more information and videos, go to energy-controls.com.